Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I'm going to show you few easy ways to fix stick drift on your PS5 controller without using any tools and opening it up. Just simple tricks you can try at home. And if this video helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really supports the channel. First, let's start with something simple. Push your thumbstick all the way to the edge and rotate it in a full circle. Do this a few times in one direction, then switch to the other. This helps break up any dirt or dust that could be causing the drift. Next thing you can do is press the stick down and rotate it again in the full circle. Do this a few times in one direction, then switch to other. This put extra pressure and helps loosen up anything stuck underneath. Here is another useful method. Grab a small gadget cleaning brush, the kind that can fit into the tight spaces like this one. Gently move the brush around the base of the analog stick to sweep away any dust or dirt hiding in there. This can reach spots that air alone might not get to. After brushing, use compressed air if you have it, spray around the stick area, or just blow gently if you don't have one. You can also lift the stick slightly and blow underneath to push out any hidden debris. Finally, move the sticks up and down, left and right several times. This helps make sure everything inside is loosened and working smoothly again. If none of these solutions fix the problem, then it's possible your controller sticks are actually faulty. In that case, the best option is to take your controller to the Sony service center, and if it's still under warranty, they will usually replace it for free. And that's it. With just few minutes of cleaning, rotating, brushing and blowing, you can often fix stick drift without any tools. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.